Our programs offer many languages. Please visit suprememastertv.com/schedule.
Nos programmes offrent plusieurs langues. Veuillez visiter suprememastertv.com/schedule.
Nuestros programas ofrecen varios idiomas. Visiten suprememastertv.com/schedule.
Unsere Sendungen bieten viele Sprachen. Gehen Sie auf suprememastertv.com/schedule.
Its beauty brings a smile to any face. Its radiance is captured in paintings by famous artists. Its oil is an essential household ingredient. Bird people love its seeds, and it even cleans up nuclear toxicity. In more recent times, it has also become a global symbol of solidarity with Ukraine in its struggle to defend the freedom of its citizens. Wondrous Nature's Gift, Radiant Sunflower, Part 1 of 3. Watch on to find out more.
Choose vegan. Walk toward the saints.
Chévere, está volado. This is how the Cubans say, cool, that's amazing, in Spanish. A lovely response that will most certainly put a smile on someone's face. I am Livia. The humble people of Cuba wish you are always protected by the sun's healing power and warmth. Welcome to our show entitled Wondrous Nature's Gift, Radiant Sunflower, Part 1 of 3. The sunflower is known as a happy flower and brightens one's mood when in full bloom. Therefore, different cultures associate it with various positive meanings. Native North Americans regard the sunflower as a symbol of harvest, bounty, and provision. In China, the sunflower represents fortune and lasting happiness, while in Greek mythology, the sunflower symbolizes adoration and loyalty. As its sun-facing attribute resembles the longing to seek the light and the truth, the sunflower was revered by the Incas and the Aztecs. In Ukraine, it represents the power and warmth of the sun since pre-Christian Slavic times. Therefore, the sunflower has always been deeply embedded in their culture and honored as the Ukrainian national flower. In more recent times, it has also become a global symbol of solidarity with Ukraine in its struggle to defend the freedom of its citizens. In addition to bringing the joys of summer and benefiting our body and mind, the sunflower also helps humans to mitigate the risks of climate change. In recent years, drought and erratic weather conditions have become more frequent globally, adversely affecting financially vulnerable farmers in developing countries that are the hardest hit. The roots of the sunflower plant can grow much deeper than those of corn or soybean, thus giving the crop better access to water and thereby surviving in harsh conditions. Apart from being drought resilient, sunflower production cost is low and demand is high, making it a perfect cash crop for small-scale farmers. In Zimbabwe, for example, sunflowers can survive a 1-month drought and still generate some harvest, which protects the local communities from hunger and maintains their subsistence. Scientists are calling for the conservation of endangered wild sunflower species, as some of them can grow in salty lands and may become a key component of the world's food security in a hotter and drier future. Sunflowers are native to the Americas and have been cultivated and consumed for about 5,000 years. In the ancient American indigenous tribes, they ground the seeds into flour for bread and drinks, seeds roasted for snacks, and kernels are crushed to extract sunflower oil for cooking, pretty much like we do today. However, when sunflowers were first introduced to Europe in the 1500s, their potential was overlooked for 200 years, until Russia started growing them as an edible oil-producing crop in the 18th century. Due to the rapidly growing demand, the Russians expanded their sunflower crop areas enthusiastically and perfected sunflower cultivars for maximum seed production. In the 19th century, Russian immigrants reintroduced the sunflower back to North America through the newly developed high-yield sunflower species. Soon the popularity of the sunflower began spreading to temperate regions, as well as to some tropical regions. Currently, Ukraine and Russia collectively produce more than 50% of the world's sunflower seeds and sunflower oil. The botanical name for the edible sunflower is helianthus, which comes from the Greek word helios, meaning sun, and anthus, meaning flower. There are over 70 cultivated varieties in the world. Some giant species can grow higher than 4 meters with one large flower phase, while other dwarf types generate multiple small flowers on each plant. It is always fun planting sunflowers and watching them grow and bloom, especially with your kids. The seeds can be easily grown in soil that is well drained, nutrient-rich, and somewhat neutral soil with at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight per day. Young sunflowers move their blooms to track the sun during the day in order to receive the most sunlight, which is converted to energy for growth. In the mornings, as their flowers face east to greet the rising sun, the east side of the stem grows faster than that on the west side, allowing the flower heads to follow the sun as it arcs across the sky from east to west. When the sun sets, the west side of the stem grows faster, so the flower heads can turn back to face east the next morning. As sunflowers mature, their stems stop growing, so sun tracking ceases. The mature flower heads constantly face east, warm up faster in the mornings, and at the same time actively release pollen, thus attracting pollinators, small animal people who prefer warmth and are more energetic in the mornings. The flowers have dazzling color combinations and patterns, ranging from common yellow and orange to unexpected white, deep red, and purple. But they have one thing in common. They all have a sun-like appearance and attributes. The central disc of florets in the flower head resembles the shape of the sun. The outer petals are like the sun emitting energy and light. More intriguingly, the growth and arrangement of sunflower seeds follow the golden ratio and golden angle, which provide the maximum room for each seed to grow, resulting in a stunning aesthetic arrangement to accommodate about 1,000 seeds on one giant sunflower head.
Turn vegan Wow, your love has expanded.
Joyful viewers, we will take a moment to visit the Van Gogh Museum website and appreciate the famous sunflower paintings created by this master post-impressionist painter. Please stay tuned to Supreme Master Television. We will be right back. Awesome viewers, welcome back to our show, Wondrous Nature's Gift Radiant Sunflower, Part 1 of 3. Radiating joy and positive energy, the sunflower has countless uses and has been a powerhouse of beauty and nutrition around the world for centuries. Sunflower seeds can be classified into oilseed and confectionery seeds. The hulls of oil seeds are solid black, and the kernels have a high oil content and are usually pressed for oil with up to 50% of oil content. They are also excellent winter bird seeds as they have higher energy levels compared to the confectionery seeds. They also have thinner shells so the bird people can crack open them easily. Confectionery sunflower seeds are larger than oil seeds, and the hulls are striped. In-hull roasted seeds are very popular in the Mediterranean, Eastern European, and Asian countries as a snack, and come in many different flavors. This is especially so in Russia and Ukraine, where you can find people snacking on their national snack simichka, or roasted sunflower seeds, in front of the TV, in sports stadiums, or on the streets. On the other hand, the whole sunflower seeds are widely used in cooking and baking, and they're tasty in salads, trail mixes, and pasta. The seeds are also used to make vegan halva, a popular traditional sweet in many regions, including Eastern Europe, the Middle East, and North Africa. Apart from about 20% protein content, which makes them an excellent source of protein, sunflower seeds also have many other health benefits. They enhance heart health as they are rich in unsaturated fatty acids that help to reduce bad or low-density lipoprotein cholesterol, lower blood sugar, and help relax blood vessels, thus controlling high blood pressure. Sunflower seeds also contain vitamins and minerals that boost the immune system. For example, vitamin E and selenium help reduce inflammation, while the mineral zinc enhances the immune system. In addition, the B vitamins aid red blood cell formation, protect the nervous system, and uplift one's energy level. In the culinary space, as refined sunflower oil has a high smoke point, it is highly suitable for high-heat cooking methods like stir-frying and sautéing. On the other hand, unrefined or cold-pressed sunflower oil adds a nice flavor to salads and cold dishes. Sunflower oil is also used in cosmetics and personal grooming products. Gently massaging sunflower oil over one's face and body can be effective in improving skin conditions such as premature aging, dry skin, and preventing or healing skin infections. Other than its nutritional and economic contributions, sunflowers also have amazing earth healing quality. after the 1986 Chernobyl nuclear disaster, researchers noticed that sunflowers could absorb highly concentrated toxic heavy metals and clean up radiation from the ground and water at a high rate, which is much more effective than excavating and disposing of polluted soil to a hazardous landfill. After the Fukushima nuclear disaster in 2011, hundreds of volunteers planted 8 million sunflowers across the region to soak up radiation and at the same time bring smiles to the faces of passersby. For a plant that reflects so many of the sun's positive characteristics, it is not surprising that people very much love basking in the sunflower's warming glow. To enjoy its sunny charm and amazing health benefits, sunflower seeds are an excellent option to consider in your vegan diet.
If man is the most advanced creature in the animal kingdom, and the tree is the highest development in the plant kingdom, surely the fruit of the tree, rather than the carcasses of animals, is the natural diet for man. Dr. Richard the Saint, Barb Baker, OBE, vegetarian.
Thank you, bright viewers, for watching today's show, Wondrous Nature's Gift, Radiant Sunflower Part 1 of 3. Please join us again for Part 2 airing next Sunday. We will show you how to use sunflower seeds in some delicious dishes. Up next is Inspiring Good News in Support of Ukraine, Part 7 of 7 on Between Master and Disciples, right after noteworthy news. May your life be constantly filled with rays of sunshine.
Our programs offer many languages. Please visit suprememastertv.com/schedule and suprememastertv.com/VEG.